Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Nissan Murano Hybrid Platinum. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 112,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, tow hooks, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.